You need to stop wanting so much. That sounds odd. We're in a self-development, kind of personal development. We want to expand. Here's what I mean by this, and walk through this with me. I've done a lot of board breaks, brick breaks, just like this. And every time I did it, I wanted to break the boards. I wanted to break the bricks. Just like your goals. Just like whether it's weight loss, relationships, money. Want isn't enough. We'll go at New Year's Eve and we'll sit there and we'll set our resolutions. And we end up with these resolutions, which are just a list of wants. And then by February, what happens? Well, I'll put it on the list next year. And we just take our wants and just keep booting them down. You know why? Because wants are soft. The only time I would break a brick or break a board was not when I wanted it, but when I willed it. And what I mean by will is that it is a declaration that you are saying, I will do this. And when you take your goals and you skinny them down to a list of wills, declarations of how you're going to live, things will change. When you say, I will be financial free in 5 years. I will lose this weight. I will build this business. It's a declaration, but it's scary. Think about it. When you go out and declare to the world or declare to your friends, declare to your family, I will do this. Uh-oh. That means that you have to do everything in congruence and alignment with that. But that's what's going to change things. Diagnosed with cancer in June of 2019. 2 surgeries, July and August. December, they say, you're good. I had 47 treatments. Late April 2020, I do a virtual live event because of COVID. I was going to do a live event. We switched it. The day after the live event is done, I go back to my surgeon for my normal scope. Now, I go skipping in there like there's no big deal. Now, my surgeon's like 6'4", poker face, doesn't show a thing. I'm laying on the table, scope, and all of a sudden I hear him go, oop, that's something. What? He says, hold on. He goes, oh yeah, I see another tumor. Cancer was back. All of a sudden I start to spiral. All of a sudden I get in a dark place. All of a sudden I realize, wait a second, this can come back. And I'm talking to a dear, dear friend of mine. He says, hold on. He says, I feel it, I hear it. Let me ask you something. Do you know what your outcome is? And I said, you mean, like, do I know? Or he says, what is the outcome that you're going for? And I said, I'm going to beat this thing. He says, okay. And if you know that that's the outcome, what do you need to do today to move you closer? And what do you need to do tomorrow to move you closer? And the next day. And take each day, one day at a time, because you just declared it. And you just committed to it, and now you have to live into it.